Today I'm showing how the what the rainbow happens. The rainbow happens when it's a rainy day with the sun. But you can make a home rainbow with this. You need first a basket. Second, put it in. You need to put water in it. Second, you need a mirror. Put inside it. Then you need fourth is a torch. Then you can make your own rainbow inside. You can say a circle or square or the full rainbow circle. It's like all the colors are in the rainbow. But our rainbow are curved sides now. We can see half circle now, but it's a full circle. We can see only half circle like that. And like and subscribe if you like it. Please, I need to get to 2 million subscribers because I only have 13 subscribers. Can you help me please?